Yeah, friends, happy sunrise.
Happy sunrise, sir.
Yeah, how are you?
Fine.
Fine.
Today, I think you can see a screen that's Green Literacy Mission.
Yes.
Yeah, what is it? Green Literacy Mission, GLM. Actually, it's a movement, Green Literacy Movement. Even in this post-pandemic schooling, or this pandemic time, no, in the Corona time, we are discussing the most popular buzzword, that is green literacy. We are also going to launch green literacy movement as to declare Kerala by the year 2020 as a 10% green literacy state. We have to know what about green literacy. Do you know about digital literacy? Yeah, everyone is using digital things. It's called digital literacy. Here you see this poster, Green Literacy Mission. The poster that is released by Dr. Madhav Gadgil. You know Madhav Gadgil? Madhav Gadgil, former chairman of Biodiversity Board in India. And that is, what is called green? Alpinjot, what is green? Which is your favorite color?
Green.
Which
Green
is your
and black.
favorite color? Green. Is it green? Which is your favorite color? Safwan,
Yes, sir.
which is your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue.
Yeah.
Blue. Today we have a new person, Ibrahim Babu. How are you? Ibrahim Babu, how are you?
Sir, that is Asia. Sir.
That is? Ibrahim Babu, how are you? Alfin Job, your favorite color?
Green and black.
Two colors, no? I asked for only one color.
Black.
Black, not green. You know, Google, what's your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue. What about rose?
Black.
Black. Black is your favorite color.
I am fine, thank you.
Do you see that black rose? Do you see black rose? Rose available in different colors. Even the color of rose, red, pink, white rose is there. White rose and pink rose. Black rose is there. Do you see black rose? In Mysore, there's a garden. It's called Rose Garden. With different varieties of rose are available. Do you see black rose?
No.
That is it's beautiful. It's like our black rose also. White rose. Do you see white rose?
Yes.
Green rose. No. Oh. Asia Babu came, no? How are you?
I'm fine.
How are you? Asia Babu, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
It's not fine. We are not using it. It's good.
Good.
We are using the most sophisticated language now. Now, who is with you? Little friend? Hello? Who is that? Asia Babu, along with you, one of your friends. Who is that?
My brother, Ibrahim.
What is his name?
Ibrahim. No?
Ibrahim. Oh, Ibrahim can sing song. Which class?
First standard.
Yeah.
First standard.
You have only one brother?
Huh?
You have only one brother?
And one sister.
Where is your sister?
Sleeping.
Sleeping. Which class?
Degree first year.
Oh, which college?
Mother College. Mother Hospital, Pyramid.
Yeah, which course?
BSc MLT.
I'm sleeping now. Sleeping?
Yes.
When she will wake up?
Sometimes after. But
Yeah.
9 o'clock. 9 o'clock.
Maybe she's not sleeping, she's dreaming. Yeah. Dream is a good thing, no? Then Abhinav, which is
Yes,
your
sir.
favorite color?
Blue.
Blue. Why? Why blue? Why blue? Tell me why you prefer blue than green, than red. Why you prefer blue?
After green,
After green?
blue is the second most colorful.
After green? Rose, why you prefer black? Why you prefer black?
I like black.
Is there any particular reason for that? Is there any particular reason? You know my green cup. It's my green cup. It's for tea. And I can drink coconut cup, cocoa cup. It's called green cup. I would like to call her as green cup. This is cocoa cup. Do you know my favorite color? Can you guess my favorite color? One.
White.
Yeah, my favorite color.
Green.
Safwan. White. White. Today I think you wear a white juba. No? White. No, my favorite color is not white. White is not a color. No. If you look to the sky, you can see white. It is not a color. White is a color.
Yeah.
White is a color.
The color.
Google, white is a color. Is it white is a color?
Yeah.
Asya Babu,
Yes.
is it white is a color? There are so many colors, in the rainbow. What are the colors? Violet, indigo,
Orange.
blue, green,
Green. Orange.
orange, red. Where is white is blue? With geo, no. Violet, indigo,
Yes.
blue, green, orange, red. Where is white?
Originally,
Sir, when you mix all this color, you can get white.
Oh, that is. When we are mixing all these things, we'll get white. Then white is the color. When we are mixing all these colors, that shows as white. White is the color of peace. Harmony. There are things to study as a discipline, It's called color psychology. Color psychology. I wear a red coat. There's a white and red have a good combination, like some combinations of colors also there. Do you know my favorite color?
green.
Oh, green. Why? Why green? My house name. It's called. You know what is my house name?
Green hut.
The green hut. Pachakudil. My house is not a palace. It's not a building. Hut. You know hut? The poor people, they are living in a hut. A small but beautiful house is called a hut. Do you see a hut? Carpet with
Yes.
soft-
Yes.
Okay. Me and my wife, we are in a research to build a smallest beautiful house in the world. ലോകത്തിലെ ഏറ്റവും ചെറിയ മനോഹര വീട്. Not a big house. Small is beautiful and beautiful is big. That's why we are going for this one. It's our concept. Green hut. And there is a film. One of my friend, Sajan and his wife Sindhu, they made it. It's called. What is the title? What's the title?
The home green.
My.
Home.
This is back. What is it? In Malayalam, it is called Pachilakoodu. This film got a lot of awards, like Best Animation Movie Award.
Sir, this is a book or CD.
This is CD. This is a visual textbook actually. It's a visual textbook. And the title of this one, My Home is Green. It's a story about an ant, you know, ant and a worm. You know, they are hug each other. They are hugging each other. And then worm
Caterpillar.
hugging each other. No. Caterpillar. No. Actually, it's made of visual textbooks. Green literacy, we are going to release a textbook. No, this is a textbook, visual textbook. It's about nature reading. It is made by Sajan and Sindhu, one of my friends and great environmentalist. And then they are living in Attapadi. They have places called Kayeni, where is a park. It's like a park, and there are elephants out there. And this is for children and for those who love children. Not only for children, but for those who love children. Now they made this film and they bagged a lot of awards, including Kerala State, in the government of Kerala Education Department conducted film festival for children. Film festival that happened in September. I got there also to watch this film. They got an award, Best Animation Movie Award. It's called SIET, Technology SIET. It's an autonomous body under the government of Kerala for the education department. SIET. They made. Do you see this film? No. Do you watch this film? In our school, you know, we are going to this year, as part of Green Literacy Mission, Green Literacy Program, we are making it as a visual textbook. It's our textbook. It's about nature. It's a story about ant and a worm. They are our little friends. And a story about endosulfan. You know endosulfan? It's a pesticide that made disaster. Pesticide. Endosulfan, we heard about in Katapod, when the cashew nuts. Asya Babu, what is your friend's name?
Huh?
What is your friend's name?
My friend's name.
Oh, friend is
Rose.
stay with you. Yeah?
Rose.
Ibrahim, no?
Ibrahim.
Ibrahim is not your friend? It's only your brother, not friend? Your brother and sister is not your friend?
Yes.
Your father is not your friend?
Yes.
Google, is it your father is your friend?
Horse.
No. My mother is my friend. My wife is my friend. My daughter is my friend. Even my God Almighty is my friend. Just like that, the worm and even elephant, they are our friend. You know, 150 years back, Dr. Maria Montessori, that is school, and that is called the house of children. Now it's time for the time up. Time up. Okay. We are going to wind up this one with a message of let's color the earth with love and it's called coloring the earth green. We have an Olympiad. It's called Green Olympiad. National Green Olympiad. We are going to participate that one. And there is a campaign. It's called Green Literacy Mission (GLR). The main objective of the mission movement is that we make 10% green literacy. Kerala already got a prestigious status position in India, that is 10% literacy state. Now we are aiming for, we are the change makers. We are looking to make this green literacy mission through green literacy mission campaign, through GLM campaign. We have to make our stage, Kerala, the board to declare as a 10% green literacy state in the year, in the magical year of 2020. Okay. 2020 കേരളത്തെ സമ്പൂർണ്ണ ഹരിത സാക്ഷരത നടപ്പിലാക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് we are planning a campaign called campaign. അതിൽ പോസ്റ്ററാണ് ഇത് കാണുന്നതാ പോസ്റ്റർ ഉണ്ടോ? Actually, this poster released by Madhav Gadgil. You know Madhav Gadgil? Madhav Gadgil, a great environmentalist. You have to search it. And happy and very much excited and happy to convey my best regards of this fine morning as Happy Green Day. Happy Green Day and Happy Green Week, Happy Green Month, and a Happy Green Year 2020. Thank you. Anything else? Rose? Happy Green Year 2020. Abhinav?
Yes, sir. Sir, you are muted.
R.K. Ramesh is the first architect in Calicut who made Pinjambarambu, then Kottakunnu. There's a hill park there in Malappuram, and Mananjira Square, a lot of good monuments. He made it, and he is just calling now. He is one of a great visionary. He is the chairman of Chamber of Education and this Green Literacy Mission movement. he already made a film about this to make the eco-friendly, cost-effective buildings. Abhinav,
Yes, sir.
he's designing my house, small beautiful house. That's in a shell house, just like in a Ra, you know. In Malayalam, we are writing the letter Ra. Shell. Without no ceiling, no wall, no foundation, just like a Ra. Do you see the house of Toda Adivasis in Uti? In Uti? In Uti? Toda Adivasis, no. കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ ഊട്ടിയിൽ പോയിട്ടുണ്ടോ
Yes.
ഊട്ടിയിൽ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ ഊട്ടിയിൽ ഒരു പ്രത്യേക ട്രൈബൽ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഉണ്ട് തോട ആദിവാസി അവർ വീട്ടിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ റാഷിട്ടുണ്ട് ആർക്കെ രമേഷ് he just called me now. He is the chairman of Chamber of Education. He just called me, okay, to inform you about green literacy and its movement. ചെറിയ വീടുകൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ അപ്പൊ അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ ഈ ഒരു ഡിസൈനിൽ നാഷണൽ അവാർഡ് വരെ കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ട് നാഷണൽ ആർക്കിടെക്ചർ അവാർഡ് കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ട് I will show that one. You can search in the YouTube that shell house in Switzerland, shell house. The architect name is R.K. Ramesh. You can see beautiful house, small beautiful house. Okay, thank you. Google, you are planning to make a big house or small house?
No,
Big house.
no, sir. I am not making any house.
In future, I'm telling, if you marry a girl and you have children, that time, suppose if you become an engineer or a doctor or a prime minister, that time you will make a big house or small house.
We will make a house to
Yeah?
live. A small and big house.
Small and big house. Small and big house. Both.
Not both. Medium, like that.
Now what about Abhinav Krishna? Abhinav Krishna, what about you?
Yes, sir.
After your marriage, you have a lot of children now. Then you will make a house. You will make a big house or a small house?
Small house.
Small, why?
It is easy to maintain.
It is easy to maintain in small, living small is beautiful. What about Rose?
Medium house. Medium.
Medium house, not small.
Yeah, medium.
Maybe your husband will say, we will make a big house, like a palace. Your marriage is over now? You are married?
No.
You are not married, okay. But maybe next year or when will be your marriage?
I don't know.
You don't know. You don't want to marry, no? Not now. Anyway, now you are studying a lot of things. You know, there is a minimum age for marriage, no? In India, there is a minimum age for marriage. You know that?
18.
18? Is it 18? Abhinav Krishna?
Yes, sir.
You are not hearing my question.
No, sir. It's not clear.
Yeah. When is the marriage? What's question, Rose? I asked it. The minimum age of marriage in India. Abhinav, minimum age of marriage in India.
$18.
18. Okay. I don't know. I'm not sure. You can check with. Okay. Anyway, after marriage, Rose will make a medium house. Suppose her husband will plan a big house. What will do?
I live.
when we are making a concrete big house, what will be the, we have to cut a lot of trees, even if that happens, it's very difficult to rehabilitation also. Anyway, that's good. Medium house, that's her answer is right. Abhinav Krishna will make a small house. Gopal will make a big or small house.
Not very big and not very small.
It's called medium.
Yes.
Do you see the house of a bird? It's called nest. Nest. Small but beautiful. The nest, the birds are the real architect. They are making their house or hut or their palace. They are making their nest without an architect. You know how beautiful? Do you see? Well, one day Arki Ramesh told me about that. An architecture without an architect. Bird is a bird. Birds, they are making, even the crow, they are making a beautiful house, small nests, without the help of an architect. Anyway, let's wind up this program. Already we are in late. Green Literacy Mission is a national flagship campaign put forward by the Chamber of Education in collaboration with the World School Alliance. There's a premium school network in India, not only in India, all the world. And where Maria Montessori of India, Mrs. Meenakshi Kiram Krishna, she is heading one organization called World Montessori Council. They are also part of this one. And the first school in the world is titled as the Kasade Bambini. Kasade Bambini, that is House of Children. That is founded by Dr. Maria Montessori. She is an Italian doctor. She is the first lady doctor in Italy, Dr. Maria Montessori. Okay. She founded a school and it's called Casa de Bambini. They are also participating in our movement. And that is the largest school network in the world. She founded a school in 1907 at Rome, in Italy. Okay. The school is still existing there. And that's a very ideal and the finest education program is called Montessori method. Actually, her philosophy is that follow the child, not follow the teacher or not follow the parent. We have to follow the child. Let's follow the child to fulfill her dreams, the children's dream. Okay. Now we are going to spread this campaign, Green Literacy Mission GLM, through. We are planning a UN Model Assembly. We are also participating for that UN Model Assembly. It's organized by Casa de Bambini Schools and also World School Alliance under the banner of Chamber of Education for their Cultiversity, a new startup project. The startup finalist of Indian Institute of Management Protocol, Cultiversity, organizing UN Model Assembly. You know which date that one was? United Nations Model Assembly. UNMA, UN Model Assembly.
August
Which date?
6th.
August 6th. What is the importance? August 6th. Is it there? Hiroshima Day, no? Okay, that's it. You had to prepare for that? Okay, every school students are participating, even government, private, CBSE, IGCSE, IB, all these school students are participating, not only from our schools, all over the world. And the message is that let's color the earth green. Let's color the earth green. Anyway, thank you so much. Have a wonderful green day. Wish you a very happy green year 2020. Okay. Google. You finish your tea? Finish your tea? Yeah. Yesterday evening, we had a program, no? Today also at 7 o'clock. Okay. You can be joined with in your study table. Okay. Every day, morning and evening. Okay. Evening 7 o'clock. We'll meet again. And the evening when the sunset, but that is moonlight. No, when the moon up. It's like when the sun rises now, we'll meet again for the moonrise. Thank you. Happy Green Year and wish you all the best from the Green Literacy. Okay, thank you.
Bye, sir.
Yeah. Google, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Bye.
welcome.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.